One of the key features to the T-Glide Advance fence is this dovetail-shaped slot here that allows you to mount accessories and attach jigs and such. Let me show you how to attach a featherboard to use as a hold down when ripping and cutting a groove in stock. I want to cut a groove along this board with a dado set, and to make sure that that groove is the same depth of cut all the way along, I'm going to use a featherboard to hold it down tight against the tabletop. Now I've got my board as my spacer, and I want to just push down lightly, just a little bit of down pressure, and tighten this up. Yeah, that feels right. So that'll be enough hold down pressure to keep that board tight on the table. And you hear those little clicks. That tells you you've got it just right. Now let's bring the fence over where I want to cut. I've got my blade height set. Now we can make our cut. Now there's my groove, cut to a nice uniform depth all the way along, thanks to our featherboard.